Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials, audio and a plain lyrics file because timing relies on the original track. Open your editor, Aegisub or Subtitle Edit, and load the audio immediately. Then create a timeline, scrub the waveform and mark verse and chorus boundaries in SS, or seconds. Once done, insert rough lyric lines at those markers so you have a scaffold to refine. This gets you into a rhythm quickly. It avoids doing tedious setup later and keeps alignment accurate from the first pass. Next, you refine timing and ad style. Zoom the waveform, snap each syllable or word to its exact hit because precise sync makes the karaoke feel responsive. Use karaoke tags or manual per syllable timing such as \K100 in AS style and test playback repeatedly. Once lines sync, apply font, size, color, outline, and position so text stays legible over the video. Make sure to test contrast. If necessary, add a semi-transparent box behind text. These choices improve sing-along clarity and viewer comfort. Finally, export and validate your subtitles. You can save as AS/SSA for soft subtitles or render burned-in MP4 for universal playback. Choose based on platform. Play the final file in the target player and check sync, line breaks, and overflow, because different players handle timing differently. If you notice lag, apply a global offset. If text is unreadable, increase outline or tweak color contrast and re-render. One key tip: when things go wrong, shift the entire subtitle file by a single positive or negative offset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.